so crisp. It's like hurt your ears, it's that crisp.
How beautiful does that new sail look? It's so neat. And it is absolutely delicious, and it's hard to believe that this was cooked 15 months ago and it's still good.
So we've got the bond coat on one side and then you've just done the other. Bond coat's all finished. That's the port side and that's starboard. So 2 coats of antifoul tomorrow, we're done.
We're in the boatyard. We've been painting Nutty's bottom most of the day. I've put an undercoat and a top coat on the, what do you call it, the plinth in the head, ready for the new toilet to go in. And now Magnus is about to take down the staysail for the last time, I think, and possibly put the new one up. Not sure. It's not too much breeze, so that could work. I'll go up the front and see what he's up to. It's the end of the day. Well, it's not really. It's about 3:30, but we've been going for a long time and we're pretty tired, so it's wine o'clock. And yeah, it's coming down. It's coming off the furler. Oh, better be quick. So what's happening?
I'm dropping the mizzen.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure?
No, the staysail, sorry.
Oh, look, there he goes. There he goes. Last time. And are you going to put the other one on?
Yeah.
Oh, see if it fits. In its beautiful blue bag. Have you got anything exciting to say?
Been painting all day. Painting and sanding. Oh no, sorry, all morning for 2 hours I sanded. And then the rest of the day's been painting. All I can smell is Wendy's fresh bread in the oven. And it smells so good. And I run out of beer, so I'm a bit sour.
And we went to the bottle shop and it was closed.
Yeah.
We got an Uber to the bottle shop and it was closed. Anyway, we got some carrots instead.
Yeah, we got what?
Some carrots.
We bought carrots instead of beer.
We did. So that made up for it. The most expensive carrots we've ever bought. C'est la vie.
Wow. See, we've got things, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a leech line pocket. Isn't that smart? So I'm going to hoist him. Just discovered we're leaking oil out of our windlass.
Well, that might explain why it failed.
I don't know.
So which sail is that one? The mizzen?
Mizzen.
That was a joke.
Ah, staysail.
What are you doing? Oh, you're getting something.
Just getting the halyard for the staysail.
It's so white. It's as white as the head plinth, actually.
Yeah, Wendy's been busy today. Your job, should you choose to accept it, is pull on that line with.
It's beautiful.
You should hear how crisp these sails. It's like, you know when you get like, no, I can't think of an analogy.
I love the little telltales. I don't think
The cotton telltales. You don't get cotton telltales anymore. They're proper.
That's lovely. Proper boat.
Proper boat.
Look at the stripes. They're double. All right, I'm going to go up a bit now so you can see it going up for the first time on the furler. There she goes, all crisp. Crispy, crispy.
It's so crisp. It's like hurt your ears, it's that crisp.
How beautiful. Look at it.
And the telltales are where you need them. On the leading edge. So many people put telltales here and they don't tell you anything. Oh,
They don't tell the tale.
Ha ha ha. Yeah, do you want to hoist? Ah!
Alright, that's my job.
Not hoisting, just taking up the slack.
Yeah, right. Just sounds so crisp. Alright. That is a beautiful sail. We love it.
Right.
What are you doing?
I'm just tying the halyard off.
How beautiful does that new sail look? It's so neat on its little furler. So we've got to put another furler on there, probably tomorrow, and then put that sail on, and maybe the mizzen. We might have to wait till we're out in the open ocean to put the mizzen on, or we might fall off our little stand. Are you going to do the mizzen? Okay.
Yeah, I'm just looking at it.
But the mainsail will definitely have to wait until we're out in the open ocean, or we will fall off our stand. I think. That's a bit dodgy. We've now got the first coat of paint on, and apparently this is paint you need to put on if you're changing antifoul, and you all saw how well the black antifoul did after it got a jet wash. There wasn't a lot left, only the blue antifoul from Mexico. So we're changing brands, and we've been very lucky with the weather. It's been dry. There we go. There I am. Hello. This is the new through hole we put in. That was a very scary finding, I must say. I think that's the old sail. It's been thrown overboard. Bye bye. Out with the old, in with the new. Need to put a new anode on there. But this anode is going to be okay, I think, for a bit longer. So we're going to leave that one. And the one on the other side is okay too. So we're going to leave that one. So it's just this little bit that's left. We'll replace that one. So tomorrow, the plan is to do the 2 coats of antifoul. And that'll be Sunday, and then hopefully Monday or early Tuesday we'll be back in the water. That's the plan. And take the mizzen off.
Yeah.
I keep videoing it because it's so beautiful. Oh, the sandflies have arrived.
Are they?
Yep.
Midgies, I think, are actually.
Are they?
Yeah. Oh yeah, one just got on my ankle.
Yep, on my hand. We're in such a mess. But I say to Magnus, every day we take something off, it's a bonus.
Yeah.
Wow. That's quick.
Yeah.
That was the rip that...
Yeah.
Oh wow, it definitely needed upgrading. Definitely. Good timing, I think.
Pass me the mizzen.
I will pass you the mizzen. There you go, babe. One mizzen. Oh, look at that. Shiny and crisp. The old and the new.
Beautiful sail.
Yeah.
Might have to enlarge that a little bit, because if only this slide it may be too long. The rest are all fine.
Okay. You gonna try it anyway?
There we go.
Here we go. Oh, I see what you mean. Ah, the height of it. You might have to just grind a bit off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Either that or unscrew those and put it in.
No, just gotta grind a bit off.
Yeah, okay, cool.
It's easy to do.
Yep. You fish it in.
Yeah, just have to manhandle it a bit.
There you go. So the mizzen is on, but the wind's picked up a bit, so we're going to have to halt the test and have another go when there's no wind. But so far so good.
Goodbye.
What was that, the mizzen?
That was the end of the mizzen.
So the mizzen is now up.
Well, it's
On.
It's on.
Roughly on anyway.
I haven't flaked it very well because I didn't want to hoist it in
No,
while we're up on the doofree.
because it's a bit windy.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to go and have a shower now.
Okay.
Morning.
G'day. My favourite job, anti-fouling.
So this is the first of 2 coats, and we're hoping to get both coats on today. Nearly finished one side. Last little bit to go. Gone. Right, now go around the other side. First coat's on, time for a cuppa. Just going to throw one more away. And then when we're out on the water, we'll be able to put the main on. The heady's going.
It's not going to land or anything.
No. There she goes.
Back in February 2020, 23rd of February 2020, made up a big chicken curry. And then I placed it in mason jars. And then I put it through a canning procedure or a jarring process. This can has been sitting at room temperature. This jar has been sitting at room temperature in a shed on our farm for 1 year and February, March, April, May, 3 months. So 15 months that has been sitting in a shed, and the temperature up here gets to, average daily temp would be 32, 33, nighttime 28, 29. So that hasn't gone below, let's say 25 degrees for nearly 1.5 years. And we're going to eat it. Stand by. This toilet has been moved from here to there, to there, to there, to there for like, what, 3 months? And this is the final move. The head, Wendy finished painting today. I've got all the plumbing in, I've got all the electrics in. It's going in. So this is its last move. So you're witnessing the last move of the toilet.
It's going into the head. It's gone.
So here we go. Let's see if it's going to smell like some piton. Oh, it's got good suction. That smells just like the day I made it.
Hello?
Wow, 1.5 years ago.
Oh, yum, dinner.
So the whole reason we're doing this, of course, is because we're going to be living... Whoops, I just dropped food on my foot. We're going to be living quite remotely once we leave... well, not Cairns, because it's still... Yeah. Once we leave... once we get north. Especially once we get to the Kimberley. So... We love our chicken curries. And... I thought... You know, you can only, our freezer's only this big. You can only freeze so much. And it is nice. I mean, fish is beautiful. We love fish. But every now and then, just have a nice chicken curry. So I thought if I knock up 20 of these, then sort of once a week, once every 2 weeks, we can have a chicken curry amongst the fish. So we're going to cook it up tonight. Wendy's going to warm it up tonight with some rice, and I'm going to give it a crack. Cheers. When I made this curry, I made it a bit drier, so there's no point wasting good mason jar room with water. So I thought we're going to have to clean this, the goodness out of this with a bit of water. So why not waste the room, utilise the cleaning out procedure, and then pop it straight in with the curry.
Yum.
And that'll reduce a little bit now. And look at that, and just about a clean jar and a beautiful curry. So here we go. Let's try the curry. Let's see if I survive.
I mean, I'm 90% sure, but yeah. So if you go into the roots of the certain stylistically, and probably name the region. That's amazing. We were talking earlier to Samuel about
That is gorgeous. Hey, when you try it.
Okay, I'll try it. You're still alive.
Sorry for the mess, but we're still in. We got stuff everywhere.
That's crazy.
Was it good?
Mm. That's cool.
That's not bad for a nearly 1.5 year old curry. We're washing it down with a bit of poppadom, some naan, some Italian wine, a bit of Greek yogurt. The fusion's going on here in a nutshell tonight. It's not bad, eh?
I haven't eaten since breakfast.
No, it's been a busy, busy day. It's been a busy, busy day. See you guys.